I'm going to give you a demonstration of the NVDA screen reader reading a Microsoft Word for Office 365 document. I've chosen to use the NVDA screen reader as it's rapidly becoming one of the most popular screen readers because it's open source and free and you can download it without a license onto any machine. I'm going to start by showing you how a screen reader can be used to navigate a document. This is really important to understand because it clarifies why screen readers are used not only by users who have a visual impairment and may not be able to see your content, but also by those who have a mobility impairment and may not be able to use a mouse to navigate your content. The first thing I'm going to show you is how NVDA will read a header if I've used the inbuilt Microsoft heading styles.
Heading level 1, page 1, section 1, introduction.
And then I'll show you that by using the H shortcut key, I can navigate through the document by jumping from header to header.
Page 1, section 1, introduction, heading level 1. Page 2, GDPR background information, heading level 2. Page 3, roles and responsibilities, heading level 2.
And I can also navigate through the document by using any hyperlinks that might be in it. And I do that by using the shortcut key K.
University GDPR updated policy. Data security response team and information security team. Subject access request form.
Hopefully that's a good demonstration of how I can use a screen reader to navigate through a document, but also a good reminder of how important it is to use Microsoft's built-in heading styles when you're creating your documents. Let's move on now to looking at adding alternative text to images, which is one of the most important things that you can do to any of your resources to improve their accessibility. So let's find out now how alternative text will sound to a screen reader user.
Graphic: a teenage girl sits on a bench in a park. The sun is shining on her face and she is smiling. She holds a white cane with a red band, which indicates that she has both a visual and hearing impairment.
The next thing to find out is how a screen reader reads out the information from a table. This, I think, is one of the most difficult things for a sighted reader to try and understand without seeing a demonstration. So I have a table here which I've created like the headings in our first demonstration using Word's inbuilt table styles. This allows the screen reader to recognise that it is a table and convey this to the screen reader user. So let's hear how this table would sound. First of all, I'm going to show you how the screen reader can read the entire table.
Number of support calls table has long description with 4 rows and 4 columns. Level 1, row 1, column 2, service hour, column 3, business world, column 4, WordPress, column 5, row 2, column 1, 2017, column 2, 135, column 3, 93, column 4, 206.
And now I'll show you how a screen reader user can choose to read the table cell by cell.
Row 3, column 1, 2018. Column 2, 128. Column 3, 125. Column 4, 134.
Another option that the screen reader user has is to listen to the alternative text for the table, if you've added it. When the table is read out, the screen reader user will be able to hear if you've added alternative text to your table.
Table has long description with 4 rows and 4 columns. Level 1, row 1, column.
They can then use the NVDA shortcut keys to hear that alternative text.
Table description. Table description. Table shows support calls for Service Now, Business World, and WordPress over a 3-year period from 2017 to 2019. Both Service Now and Business World showed an increase in calls, with Business World showing a marked increase from 125 calls in 2018 to 200 in 2019. WordPress calls declined steadily from 260 in 2017 to 95 in 2019.
I hope this demonstration has given you a good introduction to how screen readers work and will help you in the future to think about accessibility, whatever you're creating.